March 6, 2023. Casino concessionaires employees not civil servants, top court. Gaming operators' employees should not be considered to be civil servants, Macau's top court has ruled. The verdict comes after the city's judges strove to work out whether gaming companies' staff ought to bear the same criminal responsibility as government workers under the penal code enforced in 1995. Under Article 336 of the existing penal code that spells out the definition of a civil servant, government workers include those hired by a company running a business on an exclusive basis. However, the city's top court delivered the ruling yesterday, March 5, 2023, excluding all the 6 holders of gaming concessions from the organizations listed under the penal code. According to a statement issued yesterday, the city's lowest court of justice, the Court of First Instance, and the second tier of the judiciary, the Court of Second Instance, failed to see eye to eye over the links between a croupier and a civil servant in 2 criminal cases involving theft of gaming chips and payouts. Under the 1980s system that was superseded by a new one that laid the foundations for a liberation of the city's gaming sector 3 years after the SAR was established, there were 2 different types of licenses, one called a concession and the other a special permit. However, the Court of Final Instance said that such a licensing mechanism became a thing of the past after new regulations came into force in 2001. The top judges concluded after deliberations that a concession can only go to one company with exclusive access to a particular business, instead of multiple companies. One of the major reforms introduced in 2001 was aimed at ending the traditional concession mode, as the then Secretary for Economy and Finance, Francis Tam Pak-yuen, stressed at a Legislative Assembly session while presenting the bill to lawmakers, the top court said. Thank you for listening. This news is brought to you by mpluslivetv and Macau News Agency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook.